Welcome to our YouTube channel to watch our factory printers exhibition hall. We are supplying all different large format printer, Epson head DX5, DX7, XP600 printer, 1.8M single head, double head, and large size 10 feet 3.2 meter printer. Here are our 1.8 meter double 2 Printhead printer. Guangzhou CrossWay Industry Company has updated printer quality since 10 years. Keep all buyer win with our printer is our business goal. Our printer compatible with all Eco-solvent ink, sublimation ink. Now let us see here. There are our 3.2 meter 10 feet large format printer. The model name is CY3202 DX5, DX7, XP600 Eco-solvent sublimation printer. CrossWay Industry has verified an Alibaba Gold supplier. Make all our selling business with safety transaction. Welcome to contact us.